Hi, I'm Human Parvarde, CEO of AssetIntel. Today, I'm excited to share a major update we've made to manageX. Our development team has completely rebuilt the user interface using a modern framework called React. Now, I know that might not mean much to everyone, but what it means for you is faster performance, a cleaner and more intuitive experience, and more responsive pages across your devices. Most importantly, this new platform will enable us to roll out updates and enhancements even faster going forward, making sure manageX continues to grow with your needs. Let me show you what the new experience looks like. Let's start with the asset page. You can now view your full inventory in both list view and map view. The system loads more smoothly and filters are easier to access and apply. Next is the scenario setup page. This is where you can define your objective, your constraints, and budgets. The layout is more intuitive now. It clearly grouped sections and tooltips to help guide you through each step. We've also improved the settings section where you define actions, iteration models, thresholds, and cost configuration. Editing and navigating through these settings is now much faster and cleaner. Finally, the scenario run result page now displays the performance charts and project plans in a more interactive and user-friendly format, making it easier for you to interpret the results of your investment scenarios.